so bad.
Put it back to the turtle. Turtle.
I'm going to rabbit. Oh, my side hurts.
Don't you bash into your door?
Oh, yeah, I had it on fast.
I can hear it humming. I can walk. It's a miracle. Oh, gosh.
Why do you have to get a look at time when you go?
Careful, don't go up on 2 wheels again.
Keep it on 3 wheels.
Keep on 3 wheels.
Oh, she's got some back ones, so she doesn't trip over some little trainers. Good thing you have put these arms.
You could have hit us. She'd fall out, is that what she just said? Okay, stop for a second.
Out here. Isn't that beautiful? What about the charges for real?
I know, why you get it dead. Whee! Why don't you put it back down to turtle to do your maneuverability?
It's more fun if you do it fast. Oh no, there's very limited scrapes there. So now you start reading manual and specs.
I wonder if they could hear your tires wheeling down. You better not have. You better not have gone into the sanctuary.
No, the door's closed. You want to take that to the Grand Canyon?
Better than a donkey. Oh, she found a tissue. Oh gosh, you almost took out my feet.
I know, and I don't know.
She's repeating down the hall.
I don't even have a place to put my feet up. I'm getting nervous for my toes. Somebody else want to take it for a spin?
Erica does.
Because we were kids and we said, Mom, I want to ride that. You would have been like, no, we can't go on that.
See, and your hair wouldn't have blown back. And your hair wouldn't have blown.
My hair blowing back? Oh, it's much easier when you're like this. I don't believe forward.
Okay, I think Erica should ride.
I don't know where I do. That is easy for the looks.